Good morning students. Today we will start our revision work from the chapter number 3 and that is your numerical session from the third chapter, that is the national income and its related aggregates. In this sum you have to find out the GNP at FC. What do you mean by the GNP at FC? It means gross national product at factor cost. Here already data is given to you. NDP at MP, it means net domestic product at market price is 80,000 in crores. Net factor income from abroad, it means your NFIFA. What is NFIFA? So NFIFA, it is the difference between the FIFA and FITA. Already you know about the net factor income from abroad and net factor income to abroad. That is the difference between two. So it is the minus 200. It means the FITA or FIFA का difference है minus 200. Now next is depreciation 4,950 is given to you. Subsidies 1,770 is given to you. Indirect taxes also 10,600 is given to you. Now we will start our sum, but before that, that is the keep in your mind, the concept is gross to net, domestic to national and MP to FC. Basically just I am writing the rough for your rough idea, that is the gross to net. So what is the gross to net? You have to clear about this concept, that is the minus depreciation here plus depreciation. Clear? Now the second concept is gross to net is done. Now the second concept is national to domestic. So national to domestic. Again the same. What you have to find out, national to domestic minus NFIFA and here plus NFIFA. Clear? Now the last concept is market price and factor cost. So here market price and factor cost. So what do you do? Market price and factor cost. So minus NEAT and here plus NEAT. What do you mean by the NEAT? Net indirect taxes. It means indirect taxes minus subsidy. Fine. Now finally we do the sum. So solution of this sum. First, where are you? First you have to find out where are you. So you are here and this is your destination point. So first of where are you? You have to write down that only. NDP, MP, you are here. And what is your destination beta? So your destination is GNP FC. Clear? So you are here and your destination is that point. Now as per the maths rule, whatever you find out, you have to write down the left side of equal to side. So GNP FC equal to whatever is given to you. First you have to write this one. So NDP MP. Now start find out this type of problems. Like this, first you are in N position. It means you are in net position. You have to go the gross position. Clear? Account net पे you want to go at gross. So net to gross, what you have to do? Plus depreciation. Now next, D to N. It means domestic to national. So domestic to national and plus NFIFA. Plus NFIFA. Now next, MP to product is remain same or constant in each and every element. Now the next MP to FC. So MP to FC, it means minus NEAT. Clear? So you already formulate this. GNP FC equal to NDP MP plus depreciation plus NFIFA minus minus form. So that is the minus 200 and minus what is NEET. What do you mean by the NEET? So indirect taxes minus subsidies. Clear? So now 80,000 plus 4950 minus 200 minus indirect taxes is given 10,600 minus subsidies 1,770. Now 80,000 plus 4950 minus 200. First of you, as per the question, first solve the bracket. Clear? So what is the answer of 10,600 minus 1,770? So 8,830. Now what is the math rule? Minus minus plus and plus plus plus. So find out the answer. So that is 84,950. This is the solution of this. Clear? And what about this? Minus 8,830 plus 200. But sign will be the minus. So 9030. 9030. So that answer is minus 9030. Now minus 84,950 minus 9030. It should be the answer 75,920. But when you are write down the answer like this way only, GNPFC equal to rupees 75,920 rupees already mentioned, and here crore also you have to mention, because without unit your answer will be not entertained in exam. If you are not writing the unit mark here, whatever given lakhs, rupees, crores or whatever is given to you, you have to write down the unit also with the answer. Otherwise half mark will be deducted in your board exams. Clear students? This is your revision purpose sum from the chapter number 3.